Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A white-toned wooden kitchen offers a timeless elegance and a warm, inviting atmosphere. It combines the clean lines and brightness of white with the natural beauty and texture of wood, creating a space that feels both sophisticated and comfortable. Here's a breakdown of key elements to consider when designing your dream white and wood kitchen. Cabinets, the star of the show. White cabinets are the foundation of this design. Choose from various shades of white, like crisp white for a modern look or ivory for a warmer feel. Shaker-style cabinets are a popular choice with their clean lines and timeless design. Wood accents introduce warmth and depth with butcher block countertops. A contrasting wood island, open shelving with wood brackets, or even a wood accent wall. Consider lighter woods like maple or white oak for a bright and airy feel, or go for a touch of drama with darker woods like walnut or espresso. Flooring, balancing act. Light-colored wood floors like white oak or light gray laminate complement the white cabinets and create a sense of spaciousness. Opt for a wood floor with a subtle variation in grain to add visual interest. For a more rustic touch, consider light-colored engineered wood floors with a wire-brushed finish. Countertops, playing with options. White countertops in materials like quartz or solid surface create a clean and modern look. Butcher block countertops add a warm, natural element and pair beautifully with wood accents. For a touch of luxury, consider white marble countertops with subtle veining. Backsplash, adding personality. The backsplash is a great opportunity to introduce a touch of pattern or color. While a classic white subway tile backsplash complements the overall theme, explore options like light gray herringbone tile, textured white tiles, or even a statement backsplash with a mosaic pattern in neutral tones. Appliances, seamless integration. Stainless steel appliances are a classic choice that works well with white cabinets and wood accents. However, for a more modern look, consider sleek black stainless steel appliances or even white appliances that seamlessly blend with the cabinetry. Lighting, layered approach. Layering lighting is key in any kitchen. Install recessed lighting for general illumination, and incorporate task lighting with pendant lights over the sink and island, and under cabinet lighting for added functionality. Warming touches, natural materials. Woven baskets for storage, wooden bowls on display shelves, or a jute rug at the sink area all add warmth and texture to the space. Greenery, houseplants in white ceramic planters or woven baskets add pops of color and life. Choose low-maintenance varieties that thrive in indirect sunlight. Overall design principles, balance and proportion. Arrange furniture and appliances to ensure a smooth workflow and avoid cluttering the space. Embrace openness. Consider open shelving or glass front cabinets to create a feeling of openness and lightness. Mix textures. Play with textures like smooth marble countertops, butcher block accents, and woven baskets to add visual interest. Remember, personalize your space. A white and wood kitchen can be tailored to your style. Add pops of color through artwork. Decorative towels or colorful canisters. Maintenance considerations. While white cabinets can show dirt easily, opt for stain-resistant finishes and choose easy-to-clean surfaces for countertops and backsplashes. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can design a white-toned wooden kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, offering a space that inspires creativity and joy in your culinary endeavors. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a white wooden kitchen design for your culinary haven. Timeless elegance and warmth, classic beauty. The combination of crisp white and natural wood never goes out of style. It offers a timeless elegance that elevates the look of your kitchen and complements various design aesthetics, from modern minimalism to farmhouse chic. Inviting atmosphere. White cabinets create a sense of cleanliness and brightness, while wood accents introduce warmth and a natural element, making your kitchen feel both sophisticated and inviting. Enhanced light and spaciousness. Bright and airy. White cabinets reflect light, making even small kitchens feel larger and more open. This is especially beneficial if your kitchen has limited natural light, light and airy feel. The combination of light-colored wood floors and white cabinets further enhances the sense of spaciousness and creates a bright and airy atmosphere, perfect for meal prep and spending time with loved ones. Versatility and adaptability. Clean slate for personalization. White cabinets act as a blank canvas, allowing you to easily personalize your kitchen with pops of color through artwork. Decorative accents or colorful kitchenware. You can easily change the look and feel over time to reflect current trends or your evolving style. Adapts to different design styles. The beauty of white and wood is its versatility. Want a modern minimalist kitchen? Pair white cabinets with sleek stainless steel appliances and minimal hardware. Craving a touch of rustic charm? Introduce butcher block countertops, open shelving with wood brackets, and vintage-inspired hardware. Additional advantages: showcases your culinary creations. A white backdrop allows your colorful dishes and cookware to take center stage and truly shine. Easy maintenance. Potentially, while some may worry about white cabinets showing dirt, high-quality white finishes with stain-resistant properties can minimize maintenance compared to darker colored cabinets. Wood countertops like butcher block can be easily maintained with regular oiling. Overall, a white wooden kitchen offers a multitude of benefits, from creating a timeless and inviting atmosphere to providing a versatile foundation for various design styles. It's a perfect choice for those who crave a beautiful and functional kitchen that inspires creativity in the heart of the home. Here's a roadmap to guide you on your journey to designing a stunning and functional white-toned wooden kitchen. 1. Define your white wood preferences. Shades of white. Explore variations of white for your cabinets. Crisp white offers a modern look, ivory creates a warmer feel, and greige adds a touch of sophistication. Consider the overall mood you desire. Wood species and tone. Choose your wood type. Lighter woods like maple or white oak create a bright and airy feel, while darker options like walnut or espresso add drama. Consider the grain pattern and how it will complement the white cabinets. 2. Measure and sketch a plan. Accurate measurements. Measure your kitchen carefully, including the layout of appliances, windows, and doorways. Sketch a basic floor plan to visualize the placement of cabinets, countertops, and appliances. Consider your workflow. Plan the layout for optimal workflow. Think about the placement of the sink, stovetop, refrigerator, and storage areas to ensure a smooth and efficient cooking experience. 3. Cabinetry selection. Shaker style. Popular choice shaker-style cabinets offer clean lines and timeless design, making them a popular selection for white and wood kitchens. Consider other styles like flat panel or raised panel cabinets depending on your taste. Wood accents. Integrate wood accents through a butcher block countertop on the perimeter. A contrasting wood island, open shelving with wood brackets, or even a wood accent wall. 4. Countertop selection. White options. White quartz or solid surface countertops offer a clean and modern look. Consider options with subtle veining for visual interest. Warmth with wood. Butcher block countertops add a warm and natural touch, perfect for pairing with white cabinets. Opt for a high-quality butcher block with proper maintenance considerations. Luxury option. White marble countertops with subtle veining add a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Be mindful of potential staining with acidic foods. 5. Backsplash design. Classic choice. A timeless white subway tile backsplash complements the overall white and wood theme. Explore options. Consider light gray herringbone tile, textured white tiles, or a mosaic pattern in neutral tones for a touch of personality. Ensure the backsplash complements your countertop material. 6. Appliance selection. Stainless steel. Classic stainless steel appliances are a classic choice that works well with white cabinets and wood accents. Modern options. Sleek black stainless steel appliances create a modern look. White appliances can seamlessly blend with the cabinetry for a minimalist aesthetic. 7. Lighting plan. Layered approach. A well-lit kitchen is essential. Install recessed lighting for general illumination, task lighting, incorporate task lighting with pendant lights over the sink and island, and under cabinet lighting for added functionality. 8. Don't forget the details. Flooring. Light-colored wood floors like white oak or light gray laminate complement the white cabinets and create a sense of spaciousness. Consider a wire-brushed finish for a rustic touch. Hardware. Choose cabinet hardware that complements your overall style. Brushed nickel or stainless steel finishes work well with modern or transitional designs, while black hardware can add a touch of drama. 9. Warming touches. Natural materials. Woven baskets for storage, wooden bowls on display shelves, or a jute rug at the sink area add warmth and texture. Houseplants. Liven up the space with greenery. Choose low-maintenance varieties like snake plants or peace lilies in white ceramic planters or woven baskets. 10. Personalize your space. Pops of color. Introduce pops of color through artwork, decorative towels, colorful canisters, or a vibrant fruit bowl. Personalize your kitchen to reflect your style. Bonus tips: maintain balance and proportion. Arrange furniture and appliances for a smooth workflow and avoid cluttering the space. Openness. Consider open shelving or glass front cabinets to create a feeling of openness and lightness. Mix textures. Play with textures like smooth marble countertops, butcher block accents, woven baskets, and throw rugs for visual interest. Remember, with careful planning and attention to detail, you can design a white-toned wooden kitchen that is both beautiful and functional, offering a space that inspires creativity and joy in your culinary endeavors. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.